Yeah. Where's Mama? Can you find Mama?
Hmm.
Right there. Can you say no? No, not nose. No. You say it with your mouth. Say no.
No.
Can you say cat? Say cat. Can you say truck? Truck. Can you say car? Car. And what do cows say? What do cows say? No, cow. Moo. What do cats say? Meow. What do dogs say? Oh. Wipe, wipe. Very good. What? Can you say go? You say it. Say go. Say go. No. Can you say stop? Go. And what does red mean? And what does yellow mean? What does yellow mean? Slow down. All right. Say bye. Say bye-bye.